From the left is our first formation trainers. These are the T6s and the SNGs. And in the rear is that beautifully restored C-45. How unique that brings that type on picture. That's an example of a civilian airplane being drafted in military service at the time. That was the Beech-18 Twin Beech. Became the multi-engine trainer, navigator trainer, bombardier trainer. We're going to move up in time a little bit to the 50s, and T-34s took over where the T-6s and the SNGs led off. Let's talk a little bit about what created the need for these airplanes and these trainers. And it all goes back to Sunday, December 7th, 1841. The Japanese task force arrived 230 miles north of the Hawaiian Islands, and the Japanese plan was simple. They had planned to destroy the Pacific Fleet. Well, at about 6 a.m., the first attack wave was launched from the Japanese carriers. 7:15, the second wave. And about 5 minutes to 8 in the morning,